Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out upcoming auctions on the Copart application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, go to your homepage to the Explore Copart section and click on the first option, auctions. Tap on upcoming auctions in the middle of the screen, and here you are going to find all of the relevant results. Tap on the one that interests you, and here you can find all of the vehicle results. Click on the relevant one and check out the pictures, the information about the auction, the details of the car. If you want, you can start bidding by tapping on the start bidding button, but first you need to sign in. You can also save it to your favorites by tapping on the this star icon. You can add it to your calendars by clicking on this calendar and plus icon. You can also check out how the car looks like, its exterior view. Here you can check it out. As you can see, now it's being loaded in. So here you can see how it looks like. As you go back, you can also forward it by tapping on this share button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.